Good morning, guys. So this morning we're going to talk about polygons. A polygon is a closed plane figure formed by 3 or more line segments. That just means it has to have 3 or more sides. Points are called vertices, and it's named by the number of sides and angles. For example, I have a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides, 3 angles, and 3 vertices. If I'm dealing with a quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 angles, and 4 vertices, because quad means 4. Pentagon, penta means 5, so I have 5 sides, 5 angles, and 5 vertices. Hexagon, hex means 6, so I have 6 sides, 6 angles, and 6 vertices. Heptagon means I have 7 sides, 7 angles, and 7 vertices. Octa, it's like an octopus. I have 8 sides, 8 angles, and 8 vertices. Nonagon means 9, so I have 9 sides, 9 angles, and 9 vertices. Decagon, deca means 10, so I have 10 sides, 10 angles, and 10 vertices. Now, congruent means it has the same size and same shape. For it to be congruent, everything must be equal. A regular polygon means all sides are congruent and all angles are congruent. Regular is like a perfect shape. Irregular means that all sides are not congruent and all angles are not congruent. So regular would be like this octagon. Irregular would be like this nonagon, because these are not all equal. All right, now we're going to talk about our quadrilateral hierarchy. So quadrilaterals are anything with 4 sides. A parallelogram has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Okay, a rectangle has 2 pairs of parallel sides and 4 perpendicular sides. Perpendicular just means that they form a right angle. A rhombus has 4 perpendicular sides. It also has 2 parallel sides. And a square has 4 right angles, 4 equal sides, 2 pair of parallel sides. Basically, it's everything above. So a parallelogram is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. A rectangle is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. You're going to read this from the inside out. So if it's inside of it, it's part of it. So a parallelogram is part of a quadrilateral. Quadrilaterals are by themselves. A rectangle is part of a parallelogram. A rhombus is part of a parallelogram and a quadrilateral. A square is part of a rhombus, a rectangle, a parallelogram, and a quadrilateral. And these read the same details. So a square can be a rhombus or a rectangle. However, a rhombus and a rectangle cannot be a square. A quadrilateral, there are 2 types. You have your parallelograms and you have your trapezoids. Parallelograms have rectangles and rhombuses and squares underneath them. Trapezoids stand alone because if I keep going with my trapezoid, it won't form parallel lines. It'll form perpendicular lines. Alrighty, thank you.